So my dear students, yes, Abhinav has written the correct answer. All of you should participate in any activity. So first, the answer of the first question is written by only 2 students. All of you should write in the chat box the question that is asked. Okay. So second question is, who taught her the art of climbing trees? Who taught her the art of climbing trees? Adarsh, you are very late. Yes, Akanksha is very fast. That's like a good student. Correct answer written by Akanksha. Okay. Akanksha, Gargi, Abhinav. Very good. Gargi, there is no need to repeat the same answer, okay? Write only once. Rudra also has written, Harshdeep has written, and all the students have written correct answer. That is her brother. How old was she when she last climbed the tree? How old was she when she last climbed the tree? Yes, Abhinav has written the correct answer. Shivam has written the correct answer. Shivam, Akanksha, Abhinav. Abhinav, no need to repeat, okay? Gargi, Rashmi Kumari. Yes, correct answer. That is 62 years. Yes, correct answer. Now the next question, in which season did she get trapped in a tree? In which season did she get trapped in a tree? Yes, Harshdeep has written summer. Correct. वेटिंग रूम में कौन है? टाइम से क्लास में आना चाहिए. Now the students are becoming late. Let me check it. रिया एंड कुशाग्र, एक साथ सभी बच्चे आएंगे, क्लास को ज्वाइन करेंगे और सारी एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. यस, दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. दैट इज समर. शी गॉट ट्रैप्ड इन अ ट्री इन समर सीजन. करेक्ट आंसर. Students, who has written this poem? Granny's tree climbing. Who has written this poem? Write the answer. Good. Most of the students are participating in the activity. Yes, correct answer. Yeah, very good. Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond has written this poem, Granny's Tree Climbing. Okay. For how long was she advised to take rest after being rescued? Next question. For, yes, Shivam Kumar has written 1 week. Correct answer. She was advised to take rest after being rescued for 1 week. Gargi also has written, most of the students are participating. That's very good. Ankit, Amit, Gargi, Rashmi, Rudra. Good. Yes. Next, who made a tree-top house for her? Next question. Who made a tree-top house for her? Her son. Correct. You can write her son. Yes. Narrator's father or her son. Okay. More. Clear answer? Very good. Yes. Kushagra also has written. Janvi has written. स्टूडेंट्स अपनी सेटिंग को ठीक रखेंगे. यू शुड बी विजिबल. आपका कैमरा अगर ऑन है, वीडियो ऑन है, तो आप विजिबल होना चाहिए स्क्रीन पे. ठीक है, तो चेंज द सेटिंग. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट थिंग्स डज द नरेटर कैरी टू हिज ग्रैनी सीट ऑफ हाउस डेली? व्हाट थिंग्स डज द नरेटर कैरी टू हिज ग्रैनी सीट ऑफ हाउस डेली? वेरी गुड. अभिनव, आकांक्षा, कुशाग्रा, Harshdeep, you are writing the correct answer. A tray with glasses. This is the more appropriate answer. Glasses and a tray. एक ट्रे में ग्लास रख करके ले जाते थे. A tray with glasses. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. So you have written up to life skills. अगर आपको फाइल मिल गई है तो आपने लाइफ स्किल्स तक सारी एक्सरसाइजेस को कॉपी में लिख लिया होगा. वेरी गुड. अमित कुमार, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. एंड there are two more exercises of this chapter, values and writing skill. Hold for 1 minute. Students, the question that is under the heading values is grandparents are always very dear to grandchildren. मतलब सभी बच्चों को अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से काफी अट्रैक्शन होता है, प्यार होता है. वो बहुत ज्यादा अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को प्यार करते हैं. What all you do to spend quality time with your grandparents? So this is very individual question. It will vary. Okay, so write your question. That is for your homework. That how do you spend your time with your grandparents? Okay, that is for your self-effort, and you should write according to your choice. That is for your homework. And now let us see writing skill. Imagine yourself to be granny. Write a diary entry expressing your ardent wish to climb trees and your family's disapproval of it. So first of all, I would like to lower all hands, and if you know the format of diary entry, raise your hand. You are in class 8, so I hope that all of you have learned the format of diary entry in class 7, 6, 5 also. So you must be aware of it. That is very easy. And on the basis of the question, you have to write the content of the diary entry. That is not very long answer. That should not be very long answer. Within 50 to 80 words, it should be written, not in so much detail. Only one incident, one experience is written in the diary entry. Okay, most of the students, yeah, most of the students have raised their hands that they are aware of format of diary entry. Yes, you know. So under the proper format, I want to give you one example of this answer. Okay, you can write down and then you can change the answer according to your choice. This is just for example. So start writing. After the proper format, there should be date, day. You can include the time also. Date, day and time. And then start writing with an opening sentence like what a pleasant experience I have in climbing trees. In such way you can start the diary entry. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपको पेड़ पर चढ़ने की जो इच्छा है वो काफी मजबूत है, आर्डेंट विश, लेकिन आपकी फैमिली उसको अप्रूव नहीं कर रही है। आपकी फैमिली चाहती है कि आप सपोज आप दादी माँ हैं और आपको पेड़ पर चढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं कि अब आप एजेड हो गए हो, बूढ़े हो गए हो, तो अब आपको ट्री क्लाइंबिंग नहीं करना चाहिए। Hello Adarsh, is there any problem with you? Adarsh, what are you doing? I think I should talk to your parents that you are showing some unnecessary expressions in the class. If you have no problem, then be normal. Behave like a normal student. I can see that you are doing some abnormal activity. For such kind of activities, you are not allowed. So start writing. What a pleasant experience I have in climbing trees. What a pleasant experience I have in climbing trees. This is my passion. This is my passion. Passion means जिसके लिए आपके अंदर बहुत जबरदस्त इच्छा होती है किसी काम को करने के लिए, then we use this word. This is my passion. So you should place a full stop after passion. I learnt it from my brother. I learnt it from my brother. I learnt it from my brother when I was 6 years old. When I was 6 years old. I cannot leave this activity. I cannot leave this activity I enjoy to climb trees. I enjoy to climb trees. Full stop. But my son and other family members, my son and other family members that but my son and other family members think that my passion is disgraceful. That my passion is disgraceful. That my passion is disgraceful. Full stop. They suggest me that climbing tree should be stopped. That climbing tree should be stopped. Others, are you writing? They say that climbing tree should be stopped when one grew old. Climbing tree should be stopped when one grew old. Change the paragraph. One day I climbed a tree. One day I climbed a tree. One day I climbed a tree and could not come down. And could not come down. The doctor suggested the doctor suggested me to take bed rest. The doctor suggested me to take bed rest for 1 week. 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 The doctor suggested me to take bed rest for 1 week. Full stop. My family was my family was very happy. My family was very happy that that at least for 1 week they can relax. That at least for 1 week they can relax. Full stop. Change the paragraph. But I love climbing trees. Change the paragraph. But I love climbing trees. Full stop. I love nature. I love nature. My family members do not my family members do not realize do not realize the fact do not realize the fact that that I can't live without nature. I can't live without nature. Full stop. So I have decided to live in a tree-top house. So I have decided to live in a tree-top house. Full stop. I don't bother about my family's disapproval. About my family's disapproval. I don't bother about my family's disapproval. I don't bother B-O-T-H-E-R, Akanksha. B-O-T-H-E-R. I don't bother.